Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Bithumb Crypto Trading App on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search button and then type in Bithumb to begin your search. Once you find the Bithumb application, you can tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button, which will now begin the download and installation of the Bithumb app on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed. And once you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the app. You also have the auto open toggle, which you can enable to automatically launch the application once the installation is completed. Now, once the application is opened up, you can proceed with logging in to your existing account or sign up to create a new wallet and start using right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Bithumb Crypto Trading App on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.